Now children, our next exercise is exercise 4.3, in which we have to solve the story problems, right? Word problems. Question number 1 says, Rahul had rupees 8,515. In the addition problems also I told you that first we have to underline the given numbers, right? In his bank account. Where it is? In his bank account. Now, if he withdrew, if you don't know the meaning of the withdrew, check in the dictionary. You will find withdraw means taken away. He has taken away. He has removed it. Rupees 3,980 for buying a carpet. Okay. So he has bought a carpet for rupees 3,980. How much money was left? Left is a keyword for subtraction. Right? So what we have to do is subtraction in his account. These keywords will help you to identify the type of the problem when the mixed number of word problems will be there. You have to identify. They will not write add, subtract. You have to identify with the help of these keywords. Okay, so we have found these many things. Now, as you all know, statements are important in story problems. Let's write the statements. So total money, what is given? Total money in Rahul's bank account. First sentence only will become your statement. Just you have to change some wordings of it so that it will look like a statement. Right? Now next is money spent on buying a carpet. What did he do? He bought a carpet now. Buying a carpet is rupees 3,980. Now therefore money left in his bank account is equal to how much? How much was there before and how much he has withdrew or how much he has taken out. If we subtract that, we will get the answer, right? So let's subtract it. How much was there before? Total 8,515. How much he has withdrawn? Rupees 3,980. If we do this, we will get how much money is left in his account. So now let's subtract it. Five minus 0 is 5. From 1 I cannot subtract 8 because 8 is greater than 1. So I will go and borrow from here. So it becomes 11. Right? I have explained you the complete procedure in the previous exercise. So it became 11 minus 8, 3. Became 4. From 4 I cannot subtract 9. So again borrow. It became 14. 14 minus 9 is 5 and 7 minus 3 is 4. And rupee sign, because we are talking about money. So rupee sign is also important. Okay, we have done our calculation. Now we will write the answer statement. As you all know, in word problems, answer statement is also very important. So we will write what was the question, how much money was left in his account. So accordingly we will write. Or we can repeat this sentence also. So therefore, how much money was left? Rupees 4,535 was left in his account. Done? Now you can pause the video and note down the answer.